existing board. We've got 6 people that we are appointing to this board. And I recommend to the court that we appoint Becky Burgett, Brent Brown, Mark Simendinger, Paula Lillard, Travis Simpson, and Dennis Griffin. I have 1 from every magisterial district and 2 at large.
Is this a new board?
No, it's we've had a board before, but this is not the Tri-County board. This was this previously our regional airport board.
This is the Gallatin County Airport.
Gallatin County Airport board.
Can you go over those names once more?
Yes, Becky Burgett. Yeah,
Kenny, I have problems with all of them. I don't have any problems with them, but 1 on there. And I know at least 3 of us magistrates talked to Mr. Simendinger on the phone before, and he talked to us like we were children. And I don't know, do you remember your conversations with him, doesn't it?
Yes, I do.
If dealing with him on that board would be anything like we dealt with him out there at racetrack, I'm not going to support him.
That's nice.
Wes Harris. We'll change Mark Simendinger to Wes Harris.
Who does he work for?
He like new representative out there or something?
Yes. Yes.
Wes Harris, you said?
So he worked out there at that?
Yes. Is there a second to the,
I'll second.
is there any discussion? All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed, same sign. Motion passes. Before we conclude the meeting tonight, I would like to ask if anyone from the school, and young people there, had any questions that they might have for their magistrates or for me concerning the meeting or what transpired here this evening. To give a little synopsis of what happened, we paid the bills. The county is just like your all's home. We have electric bills to pay and fuel bills. We have a jail. We have prisoners in jail. We have to pay that bill to maintain those. We have to maintain our road equipment so that we can have salt and clean the right-of-ways and things like that. We have that to do. And that was what we did. We paid the bills. We also we have a budget that we as a court, we try to figure out and what we want the county to do for a year financially. And we adopt that budget in June. And then occasionally we have to make modifications to that budget. And that was what the budget transfers were. And we probably should have spent a little bit more time sharing with you all what that is. But basically, if we had an item, let's say we have $50,000 to pay for fire department supplies, and we spend more money than that, then we have to move money within the budget to accommodate for that. So we did that. Beginning January 1, we have a new set of county officers coming in. Some of them are the same, some of them will be changed. The state law requires that each elected official have a bond. So those bonds, and basically what that means is if they make a mistake or there's a problem, the bond covers their mistakes, helps pay for that. Then we had the sheriff's budget. The sheriff's budget, he runs, as I mentioned earlier, the county budget runs from July 1 to June 30th. The sheriff's budget runs from January 1 to December 31. And the county clerk's budget's the same way. And their budget has to be 0 when they start January 1. They start with no money. They have no money because they're required to turn it all over to the county after they pay all their expenses. So we have to give them some money so they can start operating until the sheriff collects taxes and the county clerk collects fees. She collects fees from licenses and taxes and things like that. The sheriff don't collect any money to mount to anything really until the fall when the property tax comes in. And then our magistrates are all given an opportunity to comment on any issue that they feel is important, and anything that might be happening, particularly in their area of the county that they represent. The county attorney is here to give us legal advice in case we need that. So that's kind of a little synopsis on what everybody's role is here tonight. Tonight is my last meeting as the county judge. And I want to thank the court for working with me. I think the county is in better shape than it was 4 years ago when we come into office. And I think we built upon things of the past. And I think we created some new programs and things that's going to benefit our community into the future. And it's been an honor for me to be the county judge. With that, we are adjourned. Thank you all for coming. Bring your papers up and I'll sign them. Hello, Hargis.
So you eat Chinese food?
Wait, the dates fell this month, the second Thursday fell before the second Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to get an A for this? We'll be talking.
She's in
We'll see you, Hargis.
Thank you.
Let's look at it. It's just so crowded. I've been going. It's fun. We'll see. Have a good Christmas.
I got it.
No, because you said it won't fit.
No, not this one.
Yeah, if you want, well, is there things from there that you want or need? Because it's not going to be $50, and you know, the shipping will be, just we're all about to
Nah, we'll get it.
Was they going to have the side, like, if the one didn't have a dog was looking for just a plain one. I couldn't find it. It's like some of them were $40.
These are all 10.
I know, but that's what I'm saying.
But we don't know what the shipping.
But no, that,
Well, let me know tomorrow.
I bet they would ship for $5, so I'll look and see.
Be careful going home.